Everyone's saying AI channels won't get monetized after July 15 because of YouTube's new monetization policy. But that's not the full truth, and most creators are getting it wrong. YouTube isn't demonetizing AI channels, but they are checking if your videos actually show effort and originality. If your video only uses a robotic voice, random stock clips, or basic slideshow images, and there's no real voice, no story or message behind it, YouTube might reject it. YouTube calls it low-effort content. If your video looks lazy or sounds like a robot, you might not get monetized. To stay safe, add value to your content. That means your voice shouldn't sound robotic. Share real opinions and make edits that prove you actually put in effort, even without showing your face. AI channels can still make money, but only if the videos feel original, are well-structured, and clearly show that a real person put effort into them, not just copied or fully made by a tool. If you want to pick a niche that actually gets monetized, tap the video on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to Algorize YT.